Yeah, if you haven't hit that like button and subscribe, go ahead and do that so you can keep up with our projects. You know, just another good backyard still, for real. And it's got a bad MerCruiser engine in it. I mean, not bad like it's broke or nothing, but I mean super bad. It's got the escape on it, and new piece there to cover the old skeg. Oh wow. I didn't even realize it came with muffs. So we're gonna see what we can do with it. Like I said, it's gonna be a labor of love. Clean up them rims. Let me know what you think. Think it's worth it. Got the piece where it's classic. Got the all around light put in there. Chrome. It's got the cleats. Got the air vents. It's got a tow bar hookup. And when you get off the boat, got a handrail to pull yourself back up with a ladder. Look at that ladder go back in. Yeah, that works. All right. Let's see. It says on the trailer, it's supposed to be traveling. The trailer come out of Southwest Marine, Kansas City, Kansas. Wow. Southwest Marine, Kansas City, Kansas. Anybody know about that place? Hit me in the comments if you know about that place. Kansas City or Southwest Marine. Yep. And that's a drain hole, through hole there for your water to get in there, come on out. Drain box, fish box, drain. Yeah. Like it's been basically overall kept in good shape. All right, we're going to see what we can do. Yes, sirree, bub. You got to know we got another project boat. Yep, the owner said it didn't run. It was running, then he said he tried to start it up after letting it sit for quite a few months over this past winter, and it won't start now. So we took it off his hands, and we're gonna try to see if it starts. We can get it going. Nice bay rider, a bow rider rather, bay boat. All right, it's a Vision, and it needs a lot of TLC, for real. We see what we can do. Yeah, we got a lot to work on, don't we? Let's see, you got a storage box in the floor, and got an anchor locker. That's what they're using it for right now, but you could put fishing poles in there, I'm sure. Yeah. Or life preservers, put it inside there. It's got the paddle, the oar, that's great. Got a glove box, a glove box. Another senior moment. Don't worry, you'll get there one day if you ain't already there. It's all good in the neighborhood, right? So we got cigarette lighter type connection. You can put extra light, spotlight plugging in. You got your ignition key. Oh man, right behind the wheel. I'm ready to go. Cruising, baby, cruising. Let me see, we got speedometer, 80 miles an hour. We got tachometer, 6,000 RPM max. We got trim, up and down. We got oil gauge, fuel gauge, temperature gauge. They go up to 250. You don't want it up that high. Put a nice temperature gauge. You got a voltage gauge. Where is that? You see it, volts. And you got your light panels, auxiliary buttons, different things. So we got to see if all that worked. Hey, we got a radio, like AM, FM, and cassette tech. So that about tell you what year this boat is, right? You got a cassette deck tape radio. And it's got, oh, that's the equalizer buttons. I thought it was USB button, but it don't have it on here. Let's see if that worked. And you got your shift controls, trim buttons right here. And this is your kill switch. Like I say, this is your kill switch, which is attached to the key here. But it don't look like it's on, that's the end of it. Like it's something that's missing. This is the lanyard for the kill switch. How that's gonna work. Do that slide in there somehow? We gotta figure that one out. That don't look right, do it? Hit in the comments if you know what it should. The kill switch, all I ever had on my boats was like a 2-prong thing that sticks in there. I don't know what this is. But I got an extra one I had on an inboard motor. I'm gonna go pull it up and check it, see if it'll fit that. If not, I got to order one. All right, cause that's the lanyard's here, but that ain't what to go in there like that. That do not work. Well, the radio got a cover that pulls down, hide the radio. That's cool. Keep the weather out. All right, let me look at the motor. One thing right off the bat that I see that definitely could keep it from starting, not getting enough fire, is this rusted ends on these cables. So I got to clean all that off. That's definitely obvious that it ain't getting enough electricity, current, to turn the starter over fast enough. And this one here, the ground connections is all tore up from the floor up as well. That need to be cleaned and put a good battery in there. And it should give more power. The starter looks new, so that's a good deal. We got some empty cans of oil, trim fluid, and throw them away. Just clean up in here a little bit. Ain't the end of the world. You know what I'm saying? Not the end of the world. And what else I see? Possible this oil filter could be changed as well. And maybe the oil, change the oil too. Change the oil. And got new hose clamps. The hoses seem to be in pretty good shape. Ain't a bad deal. Ain't a bad deal at all. I don't think it's a bad deal. And you got carburetor, like original carburetor on there. You know, you see it says 3.0 liter MerCruiser. 3.0. And that opening there was for maybe a fish box or a storage from the top. But that box is not in here. But this one is. And that goes to that one there, possibly. You got plenty of room down here. Plenty of storage in here for a battery bank, for the trolling motors, or extra oil. Of course, your batteries will be on that side over here, on the port side. Yeah. Clean the bad boy up, change the oil, and see what we got. See when we get it started. Yeah. Okay. The belts on it seem to be nice, tight on the alternator. Okay. Let's do that. Let's see when we get it done. Get a battery put in there. And then we'll work on the trolling motor setup. Once we get the motor running, then we'll get the trolling motor project going. We're going to change this out too, the top. That's going to be a job. But it's got to be done because that board looks very bad from the outside. Very bad. All right, let's get started. SAE J1223 Marine carburetor. MerCruiser model MCM 3 liter. Displacement 181 horses. Cylinder firing order 1342. Ignition timing 2 degrees over top dead center. Spark plugs ACMR43LTS. Plug gap 0.035. Maximum wide open throttle 4,400 to 4,800 RPM. Engine rotation left hand, left hand. For fuel and requirements, refer to Operations and Maintenance Manual. Certified SAE J1928. Got to get it started. Got to get it started. Stay tuned. Got to work on this carburetor. Find out what the dealio is. For real. More repairs coming. Check out the next video. We got to fix the kill switch, install the battery, a lot of things. Clean up, bilge pump repair, a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to have fun. Check us out.